Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study text selection in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as text selection playground. So text selection is, as the name says, it allows you to select a text so that you can copy it, and it's only available in iOS 15 or above. And yeah, sometimes we actually have useful information in our application that we want user to copy or share, so that yeah, so and that's something we can use text selection for, and it's only available for text, and you cannot use it any other view, like maybe a button, because button also displays the text, but the text selection view modifier is only available for the text control. So let's just have a vstack in here, and then we can have a text that says maybe event details, and then we can have a text maybe that says the event is on 25 May 2023 at maybe 10 in the morning. And then we can have maybe another text that says the address, something street A, CTX, country, or something. And now let's just give a space to all our, so a spacing of 20, so that we have a space between all of our text. And now let's just say we want user to be able to copy this date. So what we can do is simply use dot text selection, and then we further have two options, either enable it or disable. It's by default disabled, so we can enable it. And now if I try to copy it by you have to long press on the text that you want to copy, and you see we have these two options. We can either copy this text or share. If I press copy, then it will be copied to the clipboard, and since this is a preview, so you cannot actually copy it, and it won't copy to your preview provider, to your clipboard. But if you are running this on a real device or a simulator, you can definitely copy. And there is another option of share that we can tap on, and see we can share this text with other applications as well. And if I try to do the same with this address, I am now pressing doing a long press on it, but there is no pop-up. So you have to enable it by default. So let's just use text selection dot enabled. And now if I tap on it or press or do a long press on this view, we have this option to copy or share text. So that's it. This is just a short video to let you know that we have this option available to let user copy the useful information from our app, but the only limitation is it's available from iOS 15 and above. So that's it for this video. If you have anything, let me know in the comment, and I will see you in the next video.